All right, hey, part two. We're going to start today right at measure 10, right here with our second ending. We learned a little bit of this last time. Let's take this first phrase, draw the circle wide, draw it wider still. I'm going to sing it first, okay, and then let's do it together. It sounds like this. Draw the circle wide, draw it wider still. Can you try that? 1, 2, sing. Draw the circle wide, draw it wider still. Good. Try one more time. Ready? And sing. Draw the circle wide, draw it wider still. Good. And I made a mistake. If you look right here, it's draw the same note. Let's try that phrase one last time. Ready? And sing. Draw the circle wide, draw it wider still. Good. Now let's look at this next phrase. Let this be our song. Good. And we see when we sing, it does say our, right? But we're going to say, let this be our song. Our, okay? Let this be our song. Try it. Ready? And go. Let this be our song. Good. Let's do that whole thing. Draw the circle wide, draw it wider still. 1, 2, sing. Draw the circle wide, draw it wider still. Let this be our song. Good. That's kind of the easier part. Here's where it gets tricky. Let's look at the first phrase. No one stands alone. Ti ti ta ti ti. No one stands alone. Listen again. No one stands alone. Try it. Ready? And sing. No one stands alone. One more time. And go. No one stands alone. Very nice. So the tricky part is going from let this be our song all the way up to no one stands alone. That's a big jump for our voice. We're going from do all the way to so. Okay, let's start it. Let this be our song. Try that. Ready? And go. Let this be our song. No one stands alone. Good. Again, it's just a weird transition. You'll get more comfortable the more we do it. Okay, let's take a look at this next part. Here's the trickiest part, in my opinion. Standing side by side. Try that. Ready? And sing. Standing side by side. Listen. Side by side. Sing that. Go. Side by side. There you go. So, standing side by side. Sing that. Ready? And go. Standing side by side. Again, and sing. Standing side by side. Okay, now let's put it with the no one stands alone. Listen first. No one stands alone. Standing side by side. Try no one stands alone. This is the tricky part. Ready? And go. No one stands alone. Standing side by side. Side by side. It's right. It just sounds weird. Side by side. Okay, let's see if we can go all the way back to draw the circle wide. Ready? And go. Draw the circle wide. Draw it wider still. Let this be our song. No one stands alone. Standing side by side. Now we have this part that we know. Draw the circle wide. Sing that. Go. Draw the circle wide. You notice that we all sing the same part there. It's almost like it's intentional. Like, okay, we're all drawing the circle wide together. We all sing these separate parts, but now we're singing together. Okay, let's try that right one more time. Draw the circle. Then you're going to head back into class. All right, here we go. 1, 2, and sing. Draw the circle wide, draw it wider still. Let this be our song. No one stands alone, standing side by side. Draw the circle All right, head back into class and we'll rehearse this together. All right, thanks. Bye.